Yeah, because even if you're not an alchemist, you can just drink 2 flasks and you have 2 hours.
Oh, it's an hour and 15 minutes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So keep him there. There you go. Dodge. Move in, move in. Move out. Move out, move out. Everybody spread now. Find a spot and don't fucking... Stack on green. Soul stun.
Soul stun.
Bring your piece.
Alright, those guys are dead.
Next.
Watch front of boss.
Yeah, now you can bring them in the middle if you want.
As soon as that ad dies, I'm gonna move it to the middle.
Yes. Kill the ad. Move it now. On the boss.
The one got open by my phone.
Don't forget there's plenty of stuff on the opposite side of them.
Okay, just range. We need to just focus the ad now. Fuck it. Just dodge. Spread. Spread. Move out. Move out. Move out. Move in.
Interrupt.
Move out. Focus the ad. Interrupts. 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 Interrupts.
Nice job, nice job.
Okay,
That's how
now,
easy that is.
reset it.
As soon as this is over, moving.
Okay, go. Spread. I-beam is coming up soon.
Yeah, Dark. We're way ahead of our damage from last time.
Right, mistake.
No defenses.
Spread out.
Gucci.
Ads are coming. Stack. We have darkness coming up momentarily here. Get ready to ring.
Ring it.
Stonks owl immunity this one.
You got it, bud.
Move out, move out, move out.
Make sure you're keeping that ad stun.
Move in.
Soul stun.
Move out, move out, move out.
Alright, next ad.
Interrupt the ad, interrupt the ad.
All your stonks.
Yo, Crow, please.
Don't forget there's plenty of room on the back side of the boss.
Kick. Kick.
Okay, last ad.
Fine.
Stay spread.
Spread out. Reset it. Okay,
Alright, we should be
plus.
bloodlessing.
You have to
Plus.
wait. Watch front. Watch front.
We need bloodless now.
Bust down. Second potion. Crow just used. Oh wait, I already used. Fuck. How soon to the next ads?
35 seconds, we got plenty of time.
Okay, so I wanted to know. That's just big right here. Alright. Spread out. So, Joey, you got first.
All
I got next.
I don't see it. Okay, wait,
Just
wait,
wait.
it's not you. Hello?
Orb
Nice.
spawning.
Where's it at?
It's by the boss.
Under the boss.
On the boss.
Okay, alright, I'm under.
I'll
Red.
get
I
it.
picked it up. It's on the side.
Who's after you, Doc?
I'm throwing it right towards the green marker Zool. Alright.
Spread out.
Void last.
It's on me.
Alright. Zool's got it. Soap, get ready to grip in Joey.
Can you get that grip soap?
Okay, ball's up in the air.
Who's
Kill
getting?
Joey.
Kill him.
Titan.
Who's getting the orb?
Someone get Krogan next.
By the
Or-
front of boss.
On the front of the boss.
Ciro's got it. Ciro's got it.
I'm okay. Grip me now. I'm gonna see.
Orb and back up on his left leg.
Kill me. Kill me.
And I'm gonna
You
send
wanna
it.
res me?
I'm sending the orb
Res
back to
rippers.
the reddish area.
Red
Who's getting?
James.
We'll watch have to get the right.
Zool.
Am I getting orb again?
Someone get it. Joey. Jimmy,
Get
get it. Jimmy, get
darkness.
it.
Shoot.
Get ready to dance and kill Ciro.
Oh wait.
I beam.
Darkness. Dodge.
I beat.
Ciro's way in the back. You need to drag me in.
Move in.
Who's getting orb?
Zero.
You get it, so.
Kill Sire.
Res Kate. Res Kate. We should have the second res up.
Kill
I'm
me.
gonna go after this orb.
Yeah, grab it.
Kill
Nope,
me.
I took too
Kill
many
Crow
stacks.
Hunt. Crow Hunt in the back. Kill Crow Hunt.
Stonks is if we can get him up.
No.
No battle reses. Kill Jimmy Troll in the back.
Another orb.
Got it.
Kill Jimmy.
Get ready to kill somebody in the middle there. Soap. Kill Soap.
Void last on Kate in 4.
Orb is dropping in front of the boss on Kate.
Somebody needs to get.
Get that orb. Get that orb in the
Doesn't
ad.
matter who.
You have an axe. Just ignore.
It's fine. Just ignore it. Just ignore it.
No, kill.
Tank the ad.
Somebody grip me.
I got the sword.
Yeah, taunt that ad.
Your pistol. Use a kill.
Get ready to kill Tack. Kill him now.
Nice, we did it.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Over. Thank God, the nightmare's over.
Fuck.
Two powers.
Holy shit!
The nightmare is over. Oh,
Fucking hell.
Two shot.
Like I've always said,
God.
I've always said it before, nothing can't be solved without more
I
DPS.
didn't use a real pre-pot the first one. I wasn't sure.
That was a
It's
complete
okay.
healer. That was a healer victory.
Yeah, see?
Healing
And actually-
night and day, boys.
The one time we got a fucking kill,
Absolutely night and day.
I forgot to
Yeah,
use a
look at the
fucking
heal.
rune.
Holy
This is
shit.
insane, dude.
I'm sure we'll roll it anyways. AP.
Alright, off to the next boss, boys. Let's go. Let's
Yo,
go.
fed it, boys. Let's go.
Let's go fed it, bro.
Hit it.
I love getting greens off Mythic boss.
We fucking
Let's go get fed it. Let's just do it to him.
No, we're not doing that.
Let's
What
go.
are we doing?
Penis.
Hey, I heard you.
Okay.
Fucking shit.
Oh, here we go.
We did that.
Did we two-shot that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Our DPS was so much better. We had 26 seconds
Yeah, really.
left before the ad spawn when we got them at 40%.
No, here's the thing. You know what would happen? If we were gonna wipe, dude, we didn't need to lust for that. We could have
Yeah,
pushed
yeah.
without bloodlust.
That's what
I
you're
was just
supposed to
thinking-
do. Yeah,
Well,
our damage is so much better.
If we're 5 healing it, we have to do it, but I wasn't exactly sure, because, I don't know, it was kept up.
Alright, we need to kill this trash. Things are being bold.
Alright.
I've literally never been happier to kill a boss in my
Alright,
entire
boys,
life.